Myyräntällä.
And today is the 16th of September 2021. We have Uomakuja Strömfånabrinken, 3 staircases here, and this is the last staircase in this residential building. It's here in Louhela, apart from ValmetSchlieren Vantaa in Helsinki has also a general monument in Finland with 7 floors. It's built in 1971. It's 50 years old this year in 2021. It will be inspected until next year, 2022, and the SE number is 2467. We still have the staircases A, B, and C left to be filmed. I've been in staircase D.
Yeah.
The capacity is 4 persons, 320 grams. Amazing. I believe it is late 1971.
Yeah.
But I'm not sure, because actually there's the handle is actually older, so maybe it's still early 1971 after all.
Yeah.
But I don't think it was. They started constructing it in 69.
Yeah.
Yeah. And in this district, or in this part of it, we have only 7 left.
Yeah.
That is not much.
Yeah.
But they are all very difficult also.
Yeah.
But we still have to get into them also.
Yeah. Inspected by its CP and maintained partially.
Thank you very much.
That's